This video will discuss the three types of rocks in the rock cycle and connections, as well as examples.
The three types of rocks consist of igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic.
First are igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are formed through magma solidifying in rock. It can be extrusive, meaning it was created at the surface of the Earth's crust, or intrusive, meaning it was formed below the Earth's surface. The crystals that compose intrusive igneous rocks are big and visible to the naked eye because of how slowly they cool. The fast cooling down period that extrusive rocks experience results in smaller crystals visible with a microscope. An example of intrusive igneous rocks is granite, which is formed underground and found on every continent. Granite is used in things such as countertops and tiles. An example of extrusive igneous rocks is basalt, which is formed in places such as volcanoes and is used as an aggregate in pavement and construction.
The second type of rock is metamorphic. Metamorphic rocks are rocks that were once sedimentary or igneous rocks that have been modified. They can be modified through extreme heat and pressure. There are two types of metamorphic rock. Foliated are layered and made from pressure up from above sediment. Non-foliated are the same but do not align into layers and form from many ways, some of which are similar and involve sedimentary rocks. An example of foliated metamorphic rock is gneiss. Gneiss is used for flooring and other architecture and is mainly found in New England. An example of non-foliated is marble. The three main uses consist of architecture, interior decoration, and sculpture. Marble is found worldwide because its limestone has been morphed through extreme heat or pressure. Its final color is determined by whatever else is mixed in. For example, if it's pure limestone, the marble will be white.
Lastly, sedimentary rocks are created through sedimentation and compaction. Compaction is when it is compressed from weight of sediment on top of it. Cementation is like compaction, but it also is when minerals get into water and seep through sediment in rock. The process in which sedimentary rocks are formed is called lithification. There are three types of sedimentary rocks. Classic sedimentary rocks form from rock fragments, biologic from plant and animal remains, and chemical from precipitation of a water solution. Examples of these types are as follows. An example of clastic is shale, and it can be found almost anywhere in the world. In fact, it makes up 70% of sedimentary rocks in the Earth's crust. An example of chemical is oolitic limestone, which is used in glass making and fertilizer. It is found on the ocean floor. The third is biologic, which includes coal. Coal is commonly used as a fuel and is found worldwide.
The three main types of rock are connected together through the rock cycle. It works as follows.
Metamorphic, sedimentary, and igneous rocks are all part of a cycle. They can all turn into each other through different processes. For example, igneous rock can turn into metamorphic rock by adding heat or pressure to the igneous rock.
The rock cycle is a never-ending cycle. Any of the three types of rock can be worn down by weathering and erosion and turned into sediment. This sediment can be compressed and cemented into sedimentary rocks.
Metamorphic and igneous rocks can melt into magma, which can solidify into igneous rocks. Igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks can be modified by heat and pressure to be turned into metamorphic rocks. The three rocks are all connected through the rock cycle.
Thanks
for watching.